Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Centre. A very big update has come from NITI Ayog, my dear students, where NITI Ayog has praised Telangana service sector growth rate to a very high level, appreciated the measures taken by the BRS government and today's Congress government. And this service sector of our state is going to become a very giant in future. So all those who are watching me try to be equipped with this service sector skills, you are gonna get a lot of jobs in this for sure if you are aiming for private sector jobs. Now let us talk about what is that NITI Aayog has actually praised a lot. Let us also talk about the employment composition. Let us also talk about the growth rate. Let us also compare with other states how we are actually performing in the service sector. Before going into discussion, as I always tell you, there is a small advertisement to all my dear students. You can be a part of my economic classes, formation classes. If you are being here, then you will be having SNT as a complimentary along with all the current affairs, whether it is India's current affairs, Telangana current affairs, Telangana budget, Indian budget, Telangana economic survey, all of that you'll be getting as a complimentary along with SNT lectures and material. I hope this is all clear to you. Be a part of me. You can call and mail to this particular number and email ID respectively. We can start our classes as early as possible. Okay, right. So this is a very good model answer with regard to service sector. If they ask you in the examination, how is the service sector of Telangana doing? If they ask you in the examination, discuss the role of service sector in the Telangana economy and also in employment. This is where your answer is. Okay. So according to our twin reports, two reports has been released by NITI Ayog, that is called as India Service Sector, Insights from Employment Trends and State Level Dynamics, and India's Service Sector Insights from GVA Trends and State Level Dynamics. So one is Service Sector Employment Trends, another one is GVA Trends. So two reports has been given by the NITI Ayog. And this report has said that Telangana has built a very large digitally driven IT centric economic model that has significantly boosted its growth trajectory. We are actually growing in the service sector, leaping very high. That is what the NITI Aayog has said. So as of now, if you see the service sector of our Telangana, 34.8% of Telangana's workforce, nearly about 62 lakhs people. 62 lakhs people are working in service sector, and which is very well above the national average of 29.7%. So national average is nearly very less when compared to what is our employment contribution with regard to service sector. If you see the GSVA value of Telangana in the 2011 to 12, Telangana service sector was contributing only 52.8% in GSVA. Now by 23 to 24, this service sector GVA's contribution has increased to 62.4%. And from last 10 years, we are having a service sector growth rate of around 60%. Means last 10 years service sector has never went down less than 60%. It has been continuously going up and up. So here you are having the employment trends and here you are having the GVA trends. Let us see all of this in detail. Okay, right. So NITI Aayog observations, you see what NITI Aayog has said. NITI Aayog has actually credited Hyderabad's innovation ecosystem, obviously, which has been laid by before BRS government and present Congress government. Why? Because T-Hub, T-Works, V-Hub, Image Tower, all are the innovations of BRS. But when we talk about Congress, we are having here Telangana Innovation Hub is there, which is given by BRS Congress government. Bharat Future City, it is also given by present Congress government, and T Square is also there, which is again given by present Congress government. They started metro, they have started extending the metro in the old city, that is also being done. They started constructing regional outer ring road. Congress government is constructing what? Regional ring road. So both of them are actually doing a lot with regard to development of our state. I really love both of them for sure. That is how the Telangana by the various governments successively is able to project Telangana as a national leader in digital infrastructure and entrepreneurial innovation. why we are saying leader of entrepreneurial innovation. Suppose in Gujarat, if someone want to become an entrepreneur, they are looking at Telangana. Yeah, let us go to Telangana. No, అక్కడ చాలా మంచిగా ఉంది, మంచి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, ఒక పెద్ద సిటీ, ఫుడ్ కూడా మంచిగా ఉంది, నైట్ లైఫ్ కూడా మంచిగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే తెలంగాణ నైట్ టైం ఎకనామిక్ పాలసీ కూడా ప్రపోజ్ చేసింది కాబట్టి. సో ఎవరైనా ఇండియాలో దే వాంటెడ్ టు స్టార్ట్ ఎనీ బిజినెస్ అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ పోతున్నారంటే దే వాంట్ హైదరాబాద్, దే వాంట్ ది తెలంగాణ టు గో దేర్. ఓకే, అండ్ డిజిటల్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఇంకేం కావాలండి. సో తెలంగాణ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్ టు హ్యావ్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ డిజిటల్ పబ్లిక్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్. జస్ట్ సీ దట్ హౌ వీఆర్ డెవలపింగ్ లైక్ so good. Okay, then Hyderabad is a driver's growth with expanding IT and startup ecosystem. You can see here very well. Okay, now if you see a dominant service sector, despite only 33% of our workforce is in service sector, but still our economic performance with regard to service sector is highest than the other country, highest than ఎనీ అదర్ స్టేట్ ఇన్ ద కంట్రీ. మీన్స్ సర్వీస్ సెక్టర్లో చాలా తక్కువ మంది పనిచేస్తున్నారు, ఎంత 1/3, 33%. బట్ స్టిల్ ద కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ దట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ టు ద సర్వీస్ సెక్టార్ ఈజ్ వెరీ హై. ఓకే, రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అంటే చార్టెడ్ అకౌంటెంట్ సర్వీసెస్, ట్యాక్స్ కన్సల్టెంట్ సర్వీసెస్, ఓకే, అండ్ లాయర్ సర్వీసెస్, అండ్ యూ కెన్ సే డాక్టర్ సర్వీసెస్, educator, professor services. So real estate, professional and urban services are contributing 34.1% to the GSVA. Trade, repaid services 12.5%, education, healthcare, community services 12.9%. So all of these, so it means what, you can just see that service sector apart from IT, which is our service sector is not completely dependent upon IT. ఓకే, రిమెంబర్ దిస్ పాయింట్. ఐటీతోనే మొత్తం డబ్బులు వస్తున్నాయి అంటే తప్పు. ఓకే, ఐటీ సెక్టర్ ఈస్ కాంట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ గుడ్ ఇనఫ్, బట్ యూ ఆర్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ ప్రొఫెషన్ కాంట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ 34. ఓకే, ట్రేడ్ అండ్ రిపేర్ 21%, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ హెల్త్ సెక్టార్ కమ్యూనిటీ 12.9%. ఇట్ మీన్స్ చాలా బ్యాలెన్స్గా సర్వీస్ సెక్టర్ గ్రోత్ ఉంది. ఓకే, చాలా డైవర్సిఫైడ్ గ్రోత్ వస్తుంది ఫ్రమ్ వేరియస్ సెక్టార్స్. సో వన్ సెక్టార్ ఫెయిల్స్ ఆల్సో వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ ఇట్ బికాస్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ other sectors who can jump in and can drive the service sector growth rate for sure. The IT and ITES sector also saw a 5-fold rise in the startups from 400 in 2016, nearly we had now 2000 by 2022. Hyderabad now hosts 1500 IT and ITES companies. We are having 9 lakh people are working in the bigger giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tech Mahindra, etc. so and so forth. Now, if you see the top performer, NITI AYOG reports place Telangana among the top performing state in the group of GSVA with 55% exceeding the service sector in contribution into GSVA alongside Delhi, Chandigarh, Karnataka, Kerala, Bihar and Maharashtra. So we are top with regard to these states. And when you talk about the employment growth has been equally robust. 34.8% of Telangana workforce employed in services, well above the national average. Means if anybody wants a service sector job, means they can come from any other state to Telangana because we are having a good amount of growth rate with service sector. If you see rural and urban workforce, okay, the report has pointed out that 66% of 66% of the workforce in urban areas are employed in service sector. Okay, whereas 18.9% of the rural area population is employed in service sector. Obviously, service sector dependence in urban area is more than service sector dependence in rural areas. If you see gender wise, there is a disparity is there. Obviously, 41.5% of the women, of 41.5% of the men are working in service sector. 23.9% are working. So less than half, you can say that almost 80% less the women is working when compared to the men. Occupation wise, if you see the subsectoral composition also reveals that wholesale and trade contributed to 28.2%, transportation and storage 16.1%, information and communication 12%. Okay, together they accounted over half of the Telangana service employment. Means service employment ఒట్టిగా IT నుంచి రావట్లేదండి. హోల్సేల్, ట్రేడ్, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ అందరి దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తుంది. ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో కూడా 19.3% మంది పని చేస్తున్నారు నాలాగా. పబ్లిక్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ లైక్ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్స్ కూడా 5.9% ఆర్ ది సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ కాంట్రిబ్యూటర్స్ ఇన్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్. చాలా హెడ్డింగ్స్ చాలా సబ్ హెడ్డింగ్స్ చెప్పిన ఇవన్నీ రాసుకుంటే గ్రూప్ 1 మెయిన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కేక మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి, సూపర్ మార్క్స్ యూ విల్ గెట్. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ క్లియర్ టు యూ. ద లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ గోయింగ్ కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది అదర్ from the roads because of the Jubilee Hills constituency. Elections are there in my area, so please don't mind. I'm just wrapping up the lecture as early as possible. Take care, have a nice day. Do join my courses. Bye bye, take care.